I always thought that nature has been part of me, and that I am part of nature. As I grow older, I appreciate nature even more. Like sometimes I'll just go around, feel the breeze of the air, feel the sunlight on my skin, see the moonlight. It really gives me the sense of peace, calmness. It gives me relaxation. It feels like I belong to the place where I am. I might not be staying in my own country, but seeing this nature, I still feel belong. And I've always loved the fact that nature has been there as I grow up, as I discover myself. And I will always be grateful that God has given us this earth, this nature here on earth. Since I was young, I was fond of taking pictures of my sisters and my brother, my family. But I never got the notion as to why am I doing it, or what do I get from it. But there's this one person who's so good in photography, and I really admire him for his talents in taking these photos. And he taught me some knowledge about basic photography, and then I tried it myself. I used my phone to capture the things that I'm seeing. And then I remember what my professor said when I was in college. She said that memory will fail you when you need it the most. That's why journaling or writing is very important. And then I've come to relate that to photography, like whenever I see pictures, it somehow reminds you of what happened, what feeling it brought to you, because you took those moments in using your camera, whether it is mobile phone or any technology. So for me, as we get older, these photos that we take will bring certain feeling of how we lived on earth, how we felt with the people we've been with, or the places we've been to. Photography will always bring back the memories that you will never want it to forget. I think photography is more than just a coping mechanism, because it has been a way for me to see things, to see these little things that really matter in life, and how to be more thankful that you got to see these things that others don't. It brought me to realization that as long as we capture these moments in our mind, we will always remember something to reminisce on how we lived. And showcasing these moments, sharing these moments that we got to capture is like a universal language for me. Photography has been a universal language through visualization. And I will always be thankful for Uniworld Space for giving me the opportunity to share these moments that I've got to capture using my camera, and to share the feelings I've felt, to the places I've been too, and I'm really out of words, but I'm really, really, really grateful because Uniworld Space has been my platform to share these photos I took. And thank you so much. So thankful for everybody who organized and who joined, participated this contest. Especially to Miss Lucia. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, my name is Jasmine Angelica Garayan, 19 years old from Philippines. Why I love nature? Because I appreciate what God did, and look around, you can really see the beauty. And nature is not a place to visit. For me, it's a home. Kasi dito mo makikita yung peace of mind. And yung nature para sa akin is, it makes me feel better kapag napakagulo na yung nasa paligid ko, kapag wala na akong maisip na magandang solusyon. At yung nature, kapag nakikita ko siya, parang sinasabi niya, may pagkaasa pa. Don't lose hope. Don't give up. Gaya ng pandemic na to. Nakikita ko yung mga tao na parang wala ng pag-asa, nagpapanik na sila. But, if you see the nature, makikita mo talaga yung peace na hinahanap mo. Sasabihin niya, huwag kang sumuko. Don't give up. Just keep praying and just trust the process and trust Him. Photography for me is an art to showcase the world the way you see it. And I didn't choose photography. Photography chose me.